Hey, good morning, everyone. Well, we have an update on our Atlantic hurricane season. We do have our first named storm of the season so far. Here you go. We have Tropical Storm Andrea. The National Hurricane Center has been monitoring over the past 24 to 48 hours this system that has been to the east by hundreds of miles east of Bermuda. You can see that dot there on the lower left-hand side of your screen. That is Bermuda. So it is not a factor for us here in the U.S. It is continuing eastward, but it is our first named storm of the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season. So as of 11 o'clock, the center of Tropical Storm Andrea was located near latitude 36.6 north, longitude 48.9 west. So it is moving towards the east-northeast at about 17 miles per hour. This motion is expected to continue for the next day or so. And again, you can see the forecast track continuing to take it towards the east-northeast. And there you go. You can see it is going to continue to the east-northeast, but because it is moving into an area that's unfavorable for further tropical development, it is going to weaken and it is going to fall apart as we look ahead to as early as tomorrow night. So not a factor for us here in the U.S., but it is our first named storm of the season. You can see the next name on the list is Barry.